Hello friends, in this particular video we understand why we say HTML is. HTML elements are case insensitive and HTML language is platform independent. HTML language is platform independent. That means the same HTML code can run on different operating systems as shown below. Output. On executing the above-mentioned code, we can observe the same output in different platforms as shown screen. So HTML language is platform independent. Now we understand. HTML elements are case insensitive. HTML elements are case insensitive. The browser understands the HTML tags irrespective of their cases. Consider the code snippets below and observe the output. Code 1 and Code 2. You can observe that both codes generate the same output. So HTML elements are case insensitive. If you like this course, press like button and subscribe. Happy coding!